In the previous videos of this series, we have covered the essentials of arbitration, conciliation, mediation, and negotiation from an LLB syllabus and exams perspective. In this video, we will do a quick comparison of the basic features of all these four modes of ADR that we have previously discussed. Let us start with the definition. Arbitration is a dispute settlement process in which an impartial third party is appointed to study the dispute, hear both the parties, look at all the evidence, and arrive at a decision that binds both the parties. Conciliation is a method of resolving the dispute wherein an independent person called the conciliator helps the parties to arrive at a negotiated settlement. Mediation as a process is quite similar to conciliation. In mediation, a neutral third party called the mediator facilitates the discussion between the parties and assists them in arriving at an agreement. In negotiation, the parties to the dispute can talk it out between themselves and reach a negotiated decision, settlement, or agreement. No third party is involved in this process. Coming to the facilitation parameter, in arbitration, the arbitrator or the tribunal facilitate the process and arrive at an award. In conciliation, the conciliator merely facilitates the discussion between the parties and does not take any decisions. Mediation is quite similar to conciliation because the mediator facilitates the resolution process and does not take any decisions. In negotiation, the facilitation is done by the parties themselves. Experts or third parties can be brought in to assist in the process if required, but that is completely at the discretion of the parties. Coming to the enforcement parameter, in arbitration, the arbitrator has the power to enforce his decision. In conciliation, the settlement agreement has the sanctity and the enforceability similar to an arbitration award. In mediation, the decision or the settlement may be enforceable as a contract, or in case of a court annexed mediation, it is enforceable as a court order. And in a negotiation, the decision or the settlement may be enforceable as a contract. Moving on to the regulation parameter, arbitration is mostly governed under the Arbitration and the Conciliation Act of 1996. Conciliation is also governed by the Arbitration Act itself. Mediation mostly comes under the purview of the Code of Civil Procedure, the Arbitration Act, and other statutes that may mandate mediation. And in case of negotiation, it mostly comes under the purview of the Indian Contract Act. Coming to the requirement for a prior agreement, it is required for arbitration, either as an arbitration clause in the main agreement or as a standalone arbitration agreement. Whereas a prior agreement is not required in conciliation, mediation, or negotiation. From a suitability perspective, arbitration is suitable for both current and future disputes, whereas conciliation, mediation, and negotiation are mainly applicable for current disputes. Looking at the underlying process, arbitration is quite formal and the process is pre-decided through the arbitration agreement and under the provisions of the Arbitration Act. Conciliation is largely informal and quite flexible to the extent allowed by the Act. Mediation is quite informal and completely flexible. Negotiation is the least structured of all the ADR methodologies and is completely flexible. In terms of the time limits, in arbitration, the time limits are set by the agreement and also by the Arbitration Act. For conciliation, there are no prescribed time limits. And even for mediation, in general, there are no prescribed time limits. But in case of court annexed mediation, there might be a time limit of 60 days for completion of the mediation process. Otherwise, the dispute under mediation goes back to the court. And in negotiation, there are no time limits whatsoever. Coming to examples for each of these four different types of ADR, arbitration can be used for breach of contract cases, patent or trademark issues, and financial disputes. Conciliation is useful for disagreements on terms of contract, pricing issues, payment related disagreements, and other commercial disputes. Mediation is useful for disputes related to commercial transactions or disputes in creative areas such as media or even for patent and trademark related disputes. And negotiation is the least complex of all the ADR methodologies, and it is mainly used for payment related issues or contract execution delays or change in terms or situations. That is it for this session. If you have not done so already, do watch the previous sessions in this series where we have covered all the important aspects of various forms of ADR from an LLB syllabus and from your exams perspective. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. I hope to see you soon in our next series. Please do like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.